Hey guys, this is slide number 3 or problem number 2 from your Desmos. This first equation is the linear equation. This is in standard form of a linear. In order to graph this kind, you have two options. You could have gotten y by itself and put it in slope-intercept form, or you can plug in zeros in for your x and y to find our x and y intercepts. So I'm going to go ahead and do that method. If I plug in a 0 for x, this disappears, and I'm left with y equals 5. That gives me the point 5, 0, 5, where my y was 5 and my x was 0 because we plugged it in. Next, we're going to plug in 0 for y. If I do that, this goes away, and I'm left with x equals 5. That's 5, 0. I can plot both of these points. So 0, 5. And 5, 0, this makes my linear line, so I can go ahead and draw a straight line through this. Next up is the quadratic. This quadratic here is in vertex form. So if we think about this, the number here is my x value of my vertex, but it's the opposite of what we see. So because I see a -1, this is going to be a +1. This right here is the y value of my vertex exactly as it's seen. So my vertex is going to be the point 1,6. And then remember, for a vertex form, we can just follow the pattern. The normal pattern is over 1, up 1, over 2, up 4, over 3, up 9. We always multiply the pattern by the a value, and that one in this case is a negative or a -1. So I'm going to take all these and multiply by a -1. And this is our new pattern. So I'm going to start at my vertex, 1, 6. And then I'm going to follow this pattern here. I'm going to go over 1 and down 1 on both sides. Then I'm going to go back to my vertex. Now I'm going to go over 2 and down 4 on both sides. And then over 3 and down 9. So we can go ahead and draw our quadratic. Notice the points where they cross on this one are a little bit nicer. We've got this point here, which is the point 0, 5. And we've got this point here, which is the point 3, 2. So those are our solutions to this system.